Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. And as you can see, we do not have any kind of option which is connected with the timer here. So let's tap on this arrow at the top to open more options, and the timer is right here. So we've got this hourglass icon. Let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let's simply tap on the option which we'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay, and as you can see it is immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera. We do not have any kind of notification that we've got the timer set, but that's okay. You will have a surprise after tapping on this on the shutter button. So let's tap on it, and now from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and the photo has been taken. So basically this is how it works. Of course you can turn this option off. Just go to this arrow again, tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.